My God spoke to me about the way in which He works. He's called Jehovah Rapha because He heals. And He's called Jehovah Jireh because He provides. And when Jehovah Rapha is busy healing my life from its soul's diseases and my consequences of my sins and the troubles that works in my life, and He wants to heal me of it, He arranges my life in a way that gives me certain circumstances so that I can overcome with faith, perseverance, patience, and then take the blessing that He has for me after I overcome that trial. But now, every day, in my faithlessness, in my weakness, I'm calling on Jehovah Jireh so anxiously. Lord, please provide. You said you're going to provide for us. And I am striving and fighting because I don't understand that He already heard my prayer. Lord, please provide in all our daily needs, our transport money, our electricity money, our food. Please provide for us. And when I laid my prayer before Him, He already started working to provide. But when He delays providing and causes me to wait, He is allowing the side of Him that is Jehovah Rapha to do the healing in my life. So I cannot strive against what God is doing. Come, Lord, you said you're going to give. You said so. I have to labor in the Lord. I have to share something that I have with someone who doesn't have it. I have to pray for someone who is in need of prayer. When I do the works of faith, when I help someone, when I extend my heart and my hand to someone in need and help them, God is busy working in me the healing that I asked Him for my life, for my marriage, for my family, my sphere of influence. God is busy. Jehovah Rapha is healing. So God asked me, do not interfere by anxiously asking constantly for the things that you already asked this morning. Ask for it and wait and do the works of faith. Because if you have faith, your works will continue. But if you don't have faith, you will not work. You will not go out and help people. And remember, faith without works is dead. So let us work with our faith and receive from God the blessing that He has for us.